Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis yesterday on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line notations are coming from. But now that we have more data as the drama continues to play out, what I'm going to do here is just delete these lines out. Sure, they all still pertain, but like I said, just to really apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, there's really two main levels that really stand out. And this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, so I want to come across like I have some sort of unique skill to have seen these. Quite the opposite, actually. I assure you, people that use charts and understand charts are going to be watching these levels. And I make those comments because when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And the first level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, right there at $1.50. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, you can see during that first crazy movement from Tuesday, $1.50 rejected it. Pulled back, big surge to the upside, $1.50 rejected it. And then even today, price got up around that area and can never quite push through us. But you better believe that long, shorts, and everybody in between is going to be watching that level and wondering, can the price get through it? If it can, now don't get me wrong, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but it is definitely more than valid. It's definitely more than rational to think that, you know what, if the price does get through $1.50, that could very well create some upside buying pressure. Absolutely, not guaranteed to happen, but a more than valid, more than rational thought to have. So $1.50, definitely that key level of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, the level that everybody's going to be watching right there at the round number of $1, which just happened to be the bottom portion of this little consolidation. So the price pulled back here, leveled off very, very nicely before starting to work its way back upwards. So that's another area where, again, not a guarantee, but if the price falls to the downside of that, it's not unreasonable to think at all that that could very well create some downside pressure and create, momentum that could very well send this back down to 50 cents. But as of right now, those are definitely going to be the two main areas that lots and lots of people are watching going forward. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.